Good morning, students, and welcome to Coach Dissinger's online PE class. And we're going to start our Ultimate Frisbee unit. So let's take a look at the materials we need. So you're going to need your iPad. Everyone has an iPad issued to you by the district, and what we're going to need you to do is make sure that is fully charged and you have plenty of storage, because when you're recording videos and taking photos, like you will in this assignment, you're not going to want it to run out of space during the middle of your recording. An iPad stand's a great tool, but you don't need it necessarily. As long as you can prop up your iPad to record a video, that's great. Make sure that you can prop up your iPad against a chair or the wall. Just make sure it tells the whole story of what you're recording. Then you're going to also need a Frisbee and various targets. So the objectives, you're going to make sure that you can demonstrate to me the appropriate way to hold a Frisbee when tossing it. So that's either with a backhand grip or forehand grip. The backhand grip is the most traditional version, but you can demonstrate either way to me and get full credit. You also demonstrate the appropriate way to step towards a target when throwing a Frisbee. Lastly, you're going to demonstrate that you can actually throw a Frisbee and hit a stationary target. Now, stationary means that target is not moving at all. Alright, let's get to your assignment. So the first part of your assignment is to take a photo of that grip. You're going to have maybe a partner help you with this, or you can set up your camera. But all you're going to do is hold up a Frisbee and show me that you can hold the Frisbee appropriately. Again, either with the backhand grip or the forehand grip. If you're not sure about how to do that, at the end of this slideshow, you'll see exactly how to do that. Your first video is going to be a fun one. It's going to be a short 40 to 60 second video where you're going to be a teacher and you're going to demonstrate how to toss a Frisbee appropriately. So, at the end of this video, I have a resource on how to exactly throw it correctly. I want you to take that information and apply it to making your own video. Some of the keys: hold the Frisbee correctly, step to the target that you're throwing to with the same foot that's on the side of the hand that you're throwing with, and following through with a wrist snap. Second video is going to be a video of you completing 10 successful throws and hits on a stationary target. This is going to be a lot of fun. All you're going to do is set up your iPad and record you hitting something. You can be very creative. You can set up empty soda cans and knock them down. You can throw a Frisbee and hit a tree 10 times, or a basketball pole. It doesn't matter. Just make sure that you're hitting a stationary target. The target's not moving, and you do it 10 times. If you miss, that's okay. Just edit that out of your video. But at the end, you should have a collage of 10 different throws where you're hitting the target. So again, that video is only going to be about 30 seconds long. Once you're done with all that, you guys are going to submit the video on our Google and video and photos on our Google community. Here are our resources. Like I talked, here are the two grips, the backhand and the forehand. Essentially, guys, all you're going to have to do is take a photo and showing me that you know how to hold it appropriately. So take a look at these two photos and make sure that you're following it exactly like this. Here's a YouTube video of my buddy explaining how to throw appropriately to a target. I want you to watch this video and see exactly what he does, and then create your own video of how to throw a Frisbee. He also gives some great ideas of ways you can throw at stationary targets. Alright, almost done. Before you close out of this, I want you to make sure you're doing everything that I asked you. So, first thing is take a photo of your forehand or backhand grip. Remember, the backhand is the most traditional one, probably the easiest one to do. Then you're going to have your video 1, which is your how-to video, how to throw a Frisbee appropriately. Then you're going to have your second video posted, which is you throwing and hitting successfully a stationary target 10 times. At the very end, you're going to submit all this information on our Google community, the photo and the 2 videos. Once you've done that, you've completed our first days of assignment. Have a lot of fun, guys. Can't wait to watch your videos.